this rectangular form, I mean the complex number expressed in rectangular form, is equivalent to 106.18 an angle of 40.95 degrees raised to power 1/3. Next, we're supposed to apply the following theorem. This is equal 106.18 to power 1/3, and we have angle 1/3 and angle 40.95 degrees plus 360 degrees times 0. Let me remind you, if you want to find the maximum value of k, you're supposed to subtract from 3 1. Okay, if you are going to subtract from 3 1, you will get 2. So the values of k is supposed to have 0, 1, 2. I have first value 0 over here. So my answer is 106.18 to power 1/3. You're supposed to use the calculator, is equal 4.73, and your angle 1/3 of 40.95 is equal 13.65 degrees. This is my first root. If you want to find the second root, copy down the magnitude, so 4.73, and let me do everything step by step. I have angle 1/3 and I have 40.95 degrees plus 360 degrees times 1, and this is equal 4.73, and angle of 133.65 degrees. This is my second root, but we're supposed to have 3 roots. Let's find the third one. I have 4.73 and I have angle 1/3 times 40.95 degrees plus 360 degrees times 2 is equal 4.73 and angle of 253.65 degrees. We were supposed to have 3 roots. I found 3 roots, so I can say that the problem is solved.